Hello, Gareth here, and I want to tell you about the two brush method. So if you haven't done the one brush method, where we use one brush and one tube of paint, one color, then please do that first. There will be a link somewhere on this page, hopefully. So I think that is a really super course for watercolor beginners. Now in the two brush course, we take it even further by using two brushes and now two colors. So we will use a Hake brush and a liner. And for colors, we will use blue and red. So we're using basically cool and warm. So that's something very important to think about. So basically in this course, we are simplifying everything. So you can focus much more strongly on improving your brushwork and in understanding the importance of warm and cool in your painting. So most people get lost in watercolor painting because there's too much to think about and they want to paint pretty colorful paintings, but if your brushwork is not good and you don't understand about warm and cool and about tone in your paintings, then your paintings will probably be quite weak. So I'm hoping to make your paintings much stronger. Also, if you take this course, you have the chance to show me your painting and get my feedback, and then have another go and get some further feedback. I'll only be giving you 1 or 2 points, but hopefully they'll be very helpful for you. And I hope they'll encourage you to do the whole course, because we will paint 10 different scenes. So you are going to learn a lot in this course. We're going to paint snow scenes, urban scenes, river scenes, lots of different scenes. So it's really great value, this course. As well as that, we're going to paint some difficult objects like figures and cars and also boats. And I will be showing you how to combine your two brushes to create really interesting shapes that can be figures or cars or boats. So I think that will be a lot of fun. Also, if you're not happy with the course, you get a full refund. So really, there's nothing to lose and a lot to gain. In fact, there is something to lose. If you don't do the course, I really think you'll be losing out. So there you go, the two brush method. I hope you join, and I hope it helps you to really improve your paintings. Because I don't know about you, but for me, I do painting because I want to develop my own style and basically follow my own artistic muse. And that's where I am today. But if you don't master the fundamentals, it will take you a longer time, I think, before you can get to that point of confidence and where you get to that point of knowing the direction, your own individual direction that you want to go in. So the quicker you master these fundamentals, the sooner you can go out there and find your own unique style. Okay, that's all. Happy painting and bye for now.